Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Easy Video Maker. First, open the application and choose New Project to start fresh. Next, import all your video clips, photos, and any other media you plan to use into the project library. Once your media is loaded, simply drag and drop your desired clips onto the timeline in the order you want them to appear. This forms the basic structure of your video. Now, let's dive into essential editing. The trim tool allows you to precisely cut the beginning or end of any clip, ensuring only the best parts are included. You can also split a single clip into several smaller ones, which is perfect for inserting transitions or other elements. Don't forget to adjust the volume of individual clips and experiment with playback speed to add impact. To make your video truly stand out, explore the effects and audio options. Easy Video Maker offers a range of visual effects and filters to give your footage a unique style. You can easily add background music from the built-in library or record a voiceover. Remember to synchronize your audio tracks carefully with your video for a polished and engaging final product. Finally, it's time to share your creation with the world. Choose your desired output format and resolution, like a crisp 1080p, to ensure high quality. You can then export your completed video directly to your computer or upload it straight to your favorite social media platforms. Before you go, make sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.